our supply chain want more opportunities to bring their ideas to the table. So we're trying to accommodate that changing landscape so we get hopefully better outcomes and better prices. Network Rail is aiming to be much more open to working with third parties rather than saying here's the solution, can we have a price for it. So we're trying to go to market more often, focusing on the outcome. So that involves going out to market at quite an early stage, and as part of that challenging any processes or standards that might be overly prescriptive and constrain the innovation and value for money.
This project is to renew the maintenance delivery unit accommodation within the yard, as well as creating a new purpose-built storage area. At the moment the site is a bit cluttered. A lot of the buildings and the accommodations within the site are old and have been here for years. We have focused on allowing the suppliers to come up with new ways of working. We can expect to see a purpose-built facility, a nice kitchen, welfare facilities. We have opened it up to new suppliers that would not normally have the opportunity to deliver this type of work with Network Rail, and because it can be sectioned off from the permanent operational railway, we have deemed this project to be working in a high street environment. Therefore, there's no risk between the staff that are delivering this project going onto the operational railway. We have challenged standards which sometimes drive a lot of process which may be unnecessarily.
It is a really good example of applying high street contestability principles. It's fit for purpose, low carbon, modern office accommodation.
So we're providing a more cost-effective solution, but providing savings through the build. We self-assure the actual design and build, predominantly manufactured off-site, flat pack in a sense. It comes to site pre-assembled. A lot of the fit out and cladding is already pre-installed, so it saves a lot of time, gives better quality, better accuracy, and you get a better finish. What
I'm trying to target is a 30% saving on the high street buildings portfolio, which is currently valued at around £200 million. So if these principles were applied continuously, across the whole portfolio, beyond the sort of 11 pilots we've got now, there's the potential for 30% on that £200 million portfolio.